8 Online Business Ideas for 2020. It's no wonder, then, that 90% of homeworkers say they plan on working remotely for the rest of their careers. If you're looking to join this cohort of happy remote workers, or looking for some cash on the side, then you've come to the right place. 1. Blogging. Whether your blog's about Vietnam War photography or the northern hairy-nosed wombat, you can make money from your website as long as your blog is getting the internet traffic. While we'd always recommend blogging on WordPress, there are many different blogging platforms out there that you may prefer. 2. E-commerce store owner. There are so many e-commerce platforms out there that it can be hard to choose one. However, you can't really go wrong with either Wix or Shopify for easily building professional-looking online stores. 3. Facebook ad specialist. You could learn to become a Facebook ad specialist, and provide your skills to wanting businesses. This will be really easy to do if you have some digital marketing knowledge already, but it's also easy for beginners to learn the ropes of Facebook advertising. 4. Resume writer. Writing resumes as a freelancer gives you flexibility. For example, your client may ask you to create an online resume through a website builder, which can help your work experience stand out among the competition, or produce a single resume document file. 5. App development. You can easily develop apps from your home, with Android and Apple's app marketplaces offering fruitful opportunities. When selling apps, there are no shipping costs to worry about, and the apps themselves cost almost nothing to create. 6. Buy and sell domains. Before you start, it's important that you understand the basic costs of domains, and that you know which domains are available. You can do this by checking out domain auction websites such as afternick.com, Cedo.com, and flippa.com, which all function similarly to eBay. 7. Online marketplace vendor. Selling on eBay or Amazon could be your next full-time job, provided you know how to price a product properly. Amazon ran a survey about its sellers, and discovered that 4 times as many sellers make $1 million on Amazon than on eBay. 8. Freelance Web Design. You can easily design sleek sites using website builders, or you can begin learning how to code through various online courses if you'd like more creative control over your websites. We need to give a quick shout out to the website builder, Duda. We believe it's the best website builder for pro web designers. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck.